Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie. Welcome to Club Foodie. I like any kind of food. What can I say? I'm a foodie. It's important for me to diversify and balance my weekly menu. A meal with meat, another one with salad, then some fish, legumes, and so on. Now, when you really think about it, most fish recipes don't take much time to make, and within half an hour, your dinner will be ready. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Sole Almondine. This is a flavorful and elegant meal you can prepare quickly. The nice buttery sauce with almonds and lemon enhances this delicate fish and brings the dish together beautifully. It's a lovely recipe that you should definitely make soon. So my friends, let's get cooking. So first, we'll season the fillets generously on one side with sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and mild paprika. We'll also drizzle a little lemon juice on top. You might need just a teaspoon at the most, and set aside. Next, in a small skillet over medium heat, we'll add sliced almonds and saute until golden brown. Be careful though, because they can burn fast. Then we'll remove from the heat and set aside as well. Now, in a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add clarified butter. And the reason behind it is because it has a higher smoking point than regular butter. So when it's hot, we'll place the sole, season side down, and season the top side with sea salt, black pepper, and paprika. We won't sprinkle any lemon juice on top. We'll keep it for the sauce later. We'll cook one side of each fillet until golden brown, about 3 minutes, and flip over carefully to cook for another 2.5 to 3 minutes. When it's cooked, we'll transfer to a warm plate and continue with the other fillets. When they're done, we'll add the remaining 2 tablespoons of clarified butter as well as the remaining lemon juice. We'll also add some white wine and then finally our toasted almonds. We'll toss the sauce in the pan a few times and cook for about 45 to 60 seconds. We'll remove from the heat and spoon it on the fillets right away. We'll sprinkle lightly with some fresh chopped dill and we're ready to eat. And my friends, this is our Sole Almondine. Elegant, light, and delicious, this is an easy fish dish you can enjoy anytime. The ingredients complement the delicate flavor of the sole without overpowering it. This is a classy main course you'll be proud to serve to your guests. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!